What if you could trade 24 hours of your day with a robot? In this video, we'll be sharing our experiences and insights with you, showing you how the robot operates and how it can help optimize your trading strategy. Stay tuned to see the results and learn more. If you are a beginner trader or don't have enough time to analyze the market and trade, you can use trading robots. But what are trading robots? Trading robots use algorithms and mathematical models to analyze market data, execute trades, and make decisions based on preset parameters. They aim to take advantage of market inefficiencies or trends in real time, often executing trades faster than human traders can. Trading robots offer several key advantages, including speed and efficiency in executing trades, 24-hour operation without breaks, and emotion-free decision-making, which removes human biases like fear and greed. They also allow for backtesting, enabling traders to assess past performance before live use and ensure consistent, rule-based trading, potentially leading to better long-term results. These benefits make trading robots a powerful tool for optimizing strategies in dynamic markets. The main question now is, which robot is more suitable for trading among the various options available? We have chosen Galileo FX from these robots to share our experiences and backtest results with you. Let's start by reviewing Galileo FX on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a popular online review platform where consumers can share their experiences and ratings of businesses, products, or services. Galileo FX has received positive feedback from many users who appreciate its automation and ease of use. The bot allows traders to make money without needing deep knowledge of the market. Those using high-risk settings have seen impressive gains, sometimes as much as 300% in a day, though there are occasional losses. For conservative traders, the bot provides steady, reliable profits with built-in safety features like stop-loss settings. The setup is straightforward, and it integrates well with MetaTrader. While the bot requires occasional tweaks to stay optimized, many find it a valuable tool for consistent, hands-off trading. Despite some minor challenges, users are generally satisfied with its performance and the learning experience it provides. All right, let's review the backtest of the Galileo FX using the default settings mentioned on the robot's official website, so we can analyze the results together. We are starting our first backtest using a day trading style with a low risk level. The trade volume will be determined based on our account balance. We will set the risk to reward ratio to 0.75 and configure the consecutive bullish and bearish signals to 8 and 7, respectively. This style is well suited for major currency pairs due to their high liquidity. We will perform our backtest on the EUR-USD pair in the 1-hour time frame during the period from December 15 to December 31. The trading report shows a small profit of $250 with low risk, 1.5% drawdown. Out of 3 trades, 2 were winners, 66.67% with a profit factor of 2.67. Trades were concentrated on Tuesdays and during high-activity hours, 10:14. Although profitable, the Sharpe ratio, 0.8, indicates low risk-adjusted returns. Now, using the same previous data and with low risk, we will try scalping in the 5-minute time frame to see the results. It can be said that the result has been amazing, more than 20% profit in a 1-month period. The trading performance shows a net profit of $2,109.36 from an initial deposit of $10,000, with a profit factor of 1.74 and an expected payoff of $43.95 per trade. A total of 48 trades were executed, with a winning rate of 56.52% for long trades and 84.0% for short trades. The strategy experienced a maximal balance drawdown of $812, 7.4%, and an equity drawdown of $1,235, 12.3%. Consecutive wins peaked at 9 trades, generating $1,304, 34 cents, while the longest losing streak was 4 trades, resulting in a loss of $812. The Sharpe ratio is negative 2.96, indicating the risk-adjusted return needs improvement. Despite its profitability, the strategy shows potential for better drawdown management and risk control. But does the Galileo FX also yield positive results in volatile markets like cryptocurrencies? Despite the excellent performance of this robot in the Forex market, with currency pairs such as EUR/USD and GBP, USD, performance in the cryptocurrency market, like Bitcoin, is subject to volatility. In trading Bitcoin, the robot demonstrated differing performance between the two strategies, with the scalping approach resulting in frequent trades, higher gross profit and loss, but ultimately a net loss, while the low-risk strategy showed fewer trades, lower gross figures, and a modest yet consistent net profit, highlighting its superior profitability and stability. As we wrap up, if you're ready to take the next step with Galileo FX, it's simple to get started. Just visit their website, where you can easily download and install the robot with a single click. The setup process is incredibly straightforward, making it accessible even for those who may not have technical expertise. Once installed, make sure to run a backtest. It's a great way to see for yourself the impressive results that Galileo FX can deliver. And don't forget, you can also check out detailed statistics and performance reports on their website to gain deeper insight into how this tool can enhance your trading strategy. With easy installation, powerful functionality, and proven results, Galileo FX offers a great opportunity to elevate your trading game. You can find the link in the description.